Hello viewers, check out this magnificent vision. Let me introduce myself. My name is Phil Lee from Edward Lee's and SunRIseCars. Thanks for watching this video. Hello. I love this car. Let me explain why this one is particularly special. This was a smash hit when it came out in Japan. Everyone was excited about this car and its four-door sibling, the LS400. The German car manufacturers, I'm talking about BMW and Mercedes-Benz, excuse the bad language, I think they shit themselves when they saw how good this car coming out of Japan was as a luxury four-door and two-door car, because it was absolutely miles ahead of anything out of Japan, just in terms of performance, the build quality, the technology. This was a world beater, and these cars have got some history in my business and my family as well, because I did my first trip to Japan with my dear old dad, who departed this earth a couple of years ago now. Still feel a bit sad about that, but we did our first trip to Japan and we bought a green V8 two-door Toyota Soarer. We were very excited about it. At the time it was almost a brand new car. And it was a bit scary because it was a lot of money back then. We brought it to Australia. I think it was, maybe it wasn't the first one in the country, but certainly might have been the second one in the country. And they were a roaring success. Now this particular one, I'm excited to be able to import this again. This is a rare car because it's the last of the series. It's a 97 final edition, and it's got the 1JZ VVti engine in it, you know, factory original manual, and it's low mileage with these beautiful set of wheels on it, a nice set of pipes on it, so it sounds how a turbo car is meant to sound. Just a stunning car, and it's a magnificent car to drive. This is a really special car to drive. It's very fast, but it's a very comfortable GT cruiser. So this is not designed to go and carve out quick times on a racetrack. But to me, this is the ultimate GT cruiser. It's very comfortable, very fast. It's a very pacey car with beautiful handling. It's just a joy to drive on the road, whether it's around town or on a twisty country road or on the highway. If you want to go on a trip interstate, this is just super special. It's got the hole in the roof, so all the best features. That's a little turbo timer down there. All the interior is magnificent. Original floor mats. The leather steering wheel is just lovely. All the bits and pieces, touchy-feely things in the car are spot on. It's a little sneaky blow-off valve in there. It's got a little bit of stance on it. These are the right dished wheels that just set this car off, I think. And I love this colour too, factory pearl white. It's a bit overcast today, but there's nice sparkling pearl in there. A bit naughty, this got parked under a tree. There's a few leaves up the back there, don't look at that. But this is the heart of gold. VVti. Timing belt has been done at 85,000 Ks. Comes with D-Reg papers. We've imported the car, so we know it's a genuine 98,000 Ks only. And it's got that amazing sound. It's rare, it's special, it's collectible. It's only going to keep going up in value. If you want a nice Soarer, this, in my opinion, is what an intelligent collector should be putting their bum in, driving it, enjoying it, because it's a wonderful machine on the road. I think this is better than a lot of brand new cars to drive. Very rewarding. It's pretty analog too. There's not a lot of high-tech wizardry there messing up the connection with the road, I call it. It's got a basic traction control system, which I generally switch off most of the time. That's about it. ABS brakes, I think, are probably quite handy. The rest of it is very analog. So it's got a tremendous feel with the road. There's a lot of communication between the steering wheel and the bottom of your backside and the road. It's a driver's car, but it's a comfortable gentleman's coupe. That's what I would call it, which is a car I think is sensible for everyday use. These things that just do outrageous speeds, they're simply unusable, or you end up in jail without a license. This is responsive and beautiful, and you can drive it quite swiftly and sensibly. Okay, I'm going to end the video. If you like what you see, give us a call at Edward Lee's Imports at SunRIseCars. Our number is 02 9744 0539. Call us for an interstate transport quote. It costs a lot less than what you might think. Thanks for watching this video. See you.